Hello, welcome to TaxPower GST Software. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of IMS Dashboard features available in TaxPower GST Software. The Invoice Management System (IMS) is a feature on the GST portal that helps taxpayer manage invoices. It allows taxpayers to accept, reject, or keep invoices pending. The IMS helps businesses comply with GST provision and claim input tax credit accurately. If you have any queries regarding the TaxPower GST software or want to get the demo, kindly contact us on the below numbers. In the software, you can download, view, and generate IMS reports, mark the bulk invoices status, and reconcile your purchase data with the IMS invoices. So let's start here. Open the dealer for whom you want to check the IMS. Scroll down. You will see new option given here, Open IMS Dashboard. Click on it. Then click on Get IMS Invoices and then click on Download IMS Invoices Direct. You will see two options here. If any section has more than 500 transactions records, use the GSP service option. Otherwise, use the GSTN portal method. It will ask to enter the CAPTCHA and your data will be downloaded here into the software. Here, you can check all sections invoices counts with their status. If you previously marked some invoices as a pending, they will be reflect here and new invoices added in the current return period will be shown as a no action taken. You can select the return period to view only data for that particular return period. Then click on B2B invoices here. You can have the options to change the section, and if you want to apply the filter to sort data, you can also use it. The next step is select the invoices which you want to accept, reject, or pending. You can select invoices one by one here or bulk for bulk acceptance. Uncheck those records which you don't want to accept. Then next step is click on IMS action down here to mark selected invoices as accept, reject, or pending. After updating the status, all invoices will be shown as a accepted here in the software. Then click on Save at GSTN button to upload their status to the GSTN portal. That's how you can save IMS status at the GSTN portal from the software. Go back to the main dashboard again. To get the reports of IMS with status, click on Report section button here. Here you can export the data in section-wise, party-wise reports. Compare purchase register data with the IMS. TaxPower GST has a feature to reconcile your purchase data with the IMS. Go to the report section, click on GSTR to reconciliation with IMS. Here, the reconciliation dashboard will open here. Click on import GSTR2 to import our purchase data. Click on import from Excel. You can also export your purchase data in Excel from Tally, and similar templates can be imported here directly. Here we have prepared TaxPower template. Click on browse button, select the file and click import. Once your data will be import here, click on reset button. It will show the match results here. Then click on view details. You can see the supplier-wide summary and document-wide summary dashboard. After that, you have the options to filter your exact match record, partial match record. If there are any difference in values, it will show in mismatch. If invoices are missing in our books, it will be shown in missing in GSTR2. And if invoice have booked in our purchase record but not showing in IMS, it will be shown as a missing in IMS. Then click on exact match. You can select those records for IMS action. We can update the bulk status for IMS dashboard. Then click on close. After accepting the all records, we have to click on reset button. After reconcile your purchase data with IMS, it is important to save IMS status at GSTN. To update IMS status at GSTN, go to IMS dashboard again in the GST return dashboard. Then click on B2B invoices. Here you can see the accepted invoices in the reconciliation window. Then click on B2B invoices. You can see we have taken the action, but it will shown as a accepted in the IMS action column. But we have to update it in IMS status. For that, just click on Save at GSTN, and all invoices will be reflect in IMS dashboard as accepted on the GSTN portal also. That's how you can do your purchase reconciliation with IMS and can be bulk accept invoices as per your match records. If you want to reset all transactions which have accepted, rejected or pending, you can select those records here, and here it is an option to reset the data. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries regarding TaxPower GST software support, or if you want to implement the software in your organization, kindly contact us on below numbers. We are happy to help you and manage your GST compliance easily and save your time. Thank you.